Okay, here is a short tutorial on how to do yesterday's Padlet, okay? So as you can see, I put in two pieces of information. One are the rules for triangle congruency, okay? And of course, the problem itself. Now, based on our lesson, you need to look at what is given in the problem, okay? So that you can check using this whether these triangles are congruent because of side, 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 angle, side, angle, angle, side, right angle, hypotenuse, side, or if they are not congruent because there is no SSA side angle proof. Okay, so let's look at our problem. So let's look first at what is given. Okay, so if you notice, this line AB, has one stroke, and line FG also has one stroke. So we can say that, okay, line AB and line FG are congruent. Okay, so let's write that. Line AB is congruent to line FG. Or, as I said, it can also be line BA or line GF. Okay? As long as you put in the letters of the point that make up the line. Okay? So, what is the reason? The reason is given. Okay? The diagram told us. That's why it's given. So, let's look for another set of congruency. So, we can see here that line AC has two strokes and line EG also has two strokes. So, we can write down line AC or CA is congruent to line EG or GE. Okay? And the reason is given. Okay, now we have to look for one more because to prove congruency, you have to look for three congruent parts of both triangles, okay? So if you look over here, we find that there is an angle with one stroke. Wait, let me get a darker color, okay? See? There's one stroke and one stroke there, okay? One arc. So we can say that angle, remember, the part where you highlighted, where the angle happens, that should be the middle letter, okay? So in this case, I can write this angle as angle ABC or angle CBA, okay? And you notice B is always the middle letter, the middle point, okay? Same here, I can write this as angle EFG, okay? Angle EFG or angle GFE. Again, okay, the point where the angle happens is the middle letter, okay? So we can write angle ABC is congruent to angle EFG. And the reason being given, okay? So let's look at this compared to our rules, okay? Can we use side? No, because only two sides are congruent. So cannot use this. No. Can we use side, angle, side? And you notice when you use side, angle, side, the congruent angle needs to be in between the two sides, okay? So that's why it's called side, angle, side, okay? So no, because the angle is not in between the two congruent sides. The angle is over here. If this were side, angle, side, the angle should be here so that it can read side, angle, side, but it's not. So we cannot use this either. Next, can we use angle, side, angle? Now remember, we just need to follow this. Angle, side, angle. See, it follows the order. That means the congruent side needs to be in between the two congruent angles, angle, side, angle, okay? So let's look at our picture. There's only one congruent angle, so we cannot use this. So let's try the next one. Angle, angle, side, okay? So angle, angle, side. It can also be this side, angle, angle, side, okay? As long as you have two congruent angles and one of the sides are also congruent. Again, we cannot use this because we only have one set of congruent angles. Okay? Next, right angle, hypotenuse, side. Now, right angle is this. Okay? Hypotenuse is the side opposite the right angle. Okay? So, right angle, hypotenuse, and side. That means one of the sides needs to be congruent. So, right angle, hypotenuse, and one of the sides. So let's look at this one. Oops, we can't use this because these are not right angles. How do you know it's not right angles? Because you do not see the symbol for right angle. So since there are no right angles, we cannot use this. So by elimination, we eliminated all 5 rules. So what is left? Side, side, angle. Side, side, angle. And based on this, when the side, side angles are the only ones congruent, then our conclusion is this, these two triangles are not congruent. And the reason being, it does not meet any of the criteria for the 5 rules of congruency. Okay? So I hope this helps, and so that you can use this one to help you with the next Padlet on triangle congruence. Okay? Bye!